Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning Introduction to Functions, and in today's class we will learn about packages. In the previous classes we have learned about methods and functions in detail. As you already know, a class is a group of functions at a high level. So when we talk about it, if we think of this as a class has one or more methods, and a method is nothing but a set of code or instruction. Now, one thing that goes at a higher level is what we refer as packages. Packages are a grouping of classes. So when you have multiple and similar classes, you put it in a package, and this package is part of a Java library. Java by default provides several packages to us, and those packages have multiple classes, and those classes inside has multiple functions. Java does it and creates those and give it to us so that we can save our time and simply reuse those functions. Wherever we need it, we call the function and we get the desired output. That way we don't have to write the code. If we write, the more code you write, the chances of error is more. And on top of it, you have to do a lot of testing. It is always better to focus on what we really want to solve it, and all the basic things Java already provides, we simply use it. As you see, at a high level, Java library has multiple packages. Lang is one of the package. Util is another package. Net is another package, AWT, and so on. There are several packages Java provides. Within that package, there are a lot of related classes. For example, Lang has math and system. Util has stacks and scanner. We have already seen scanner class to accept input and output. System, we have seen it to use. System has a class out from where we use the print command or print function. Java, as I said, Java provides several classes, and each class has several functions. In order to use some of these packages, some of the functions, if you remember, the function is inside a class and a class is inside a package. In order to use this function, we need to use the class. But by default, when we want to use a function, we need to tell Java to load the class or load the package in which the class belongs so that we can use it. If we simply use a function and do not ask Java to load that class, Java does not know where to find that function. And that's why Java will throw an error. For example, if I don't use, suppose I want to use java.lang.math and I want to use some of the math functions, I want to first use an import statement and say import java.lang.math, because that math class is part of Java library's lang function package, in the lang package, and math is a class inside that. So it's a java.lang.math. I can import only one class called math, or if I want to import all the classes within math, I will simply say import. Let me write it here again. Import java.lang and asterisk. When I do asterisk, that means I'm saying load all the classes in the lang. But if I want to load only a specific class, then I will be more precise. I will say import java.lang.math. This means I am asking Java to load only math class. In this code here, you will notice that I am using a couple of import statements here. As I said, if I use scanner class or a method and I don't write this statement, Java does not know where to find scanner. The import statements makes Java load the whole library or package, so that Java can find this scanner class and use its method. One of the method is next line. I hope you understand now how Java organizes the packages and classes and why import statement is important. At any point of time, if you write code and Java throws an error saying class not found, there are two possibilities. Either the class name you wrote is incorrect. You have to remember Java is case sensitive. Second possibility is you did not use the import statement to instruct Java to load the package to you. That's all in this class. This is the last concept. Go ahead and do some practice, because this is the only way to learn coding. I'll see you again in the next class.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.